Hi everybody. I wanted to talk about Senegens's lip volumizer. Lip volumizer. Can you see that? Lip volumizer. This is a treatment. It is not a makeup per se, makeup product. It is a treatment. And it is something that most women really want and need, especially as they get older. Because what lip volumizer does is it rebuilds the collagen and increases the moisture of the lip tissue. Now, the difference between lip volumizer and what's out in the market as a lip plumper is usually the lip plumpers are temporary and they cause an allergic reaction temporarily so that your lips puff up. And so it appears that your lips are fuller. But what if you could use a product that actually works and actually does what it says it's going to do, guaranteed, for $50, and it will actually rebuild the collagen in your lips. Now you know that the collagen is the building block of all of your skin. And as you get older, if you look at someone that's like an older woman, that's in her 70s and 80s, what happens is your lips actually become part of your face. Like there's no really differentiation between the two. And the color is gone from the lips. So if you can restore the lips to as they were younger, one of the things that you'll notice about lip volumizer is that the color of your lips comes back. Now, I have no lip color at all on my lips right now, and I'm in my 60s, and the lip volumizer is clear, and you just put it on your lip like this before you go to bed. Now, it's a night treatment. It is not to be used if you're going to wear LipSense or any other lipstick, because this is a treatment, so you want to use it at night. Now, what I do is I put it around my lips as well, on the outside of my lip line, and then I just take my finger and I rub it in. Now, my lips are pink naturally now. And the other thing is that people will say to me that the people that know me, and let's say I spend the night at someone's house when I'm traveling and doing training for distributors and things like that, people will say to me, your lips are like in perfect condition. Yeah, there is no dryness whatsoever. There's no flakiness. There's no really deep lines or anything like that. And if you've worn lipstick your whole life, what you notice is that your lips start shrinking and start shriveling up, kind of. They start like getting smaller and they get really lined, like really deep lines. Well, with lip volumizer, you can take care of that. And let me tell you why. You want to know how it works, like what is in it, how does it work, and things like that. So that's what I'm going to talk about right now. I have some notes because I want to make sure I share everything with you. But lip volumizer contains a volumizing complex of peptides and botanicals that helps in the rebuilding of the collagen matrix of the lips. Now, the collagen matrix is the structure, the strength of the lips or the skin inside. So if we can rebuild that collagen matrix and the way increase the moisture content in your lips, then your lips will be changed, and they get changed from the inside out. Does it take time? Yes. I first noticed a difference after about 2 weeks. But what it actually does is the paperwork or the official statement from Senegens is that it will take about a month of daily use at nighttime for you to see a 20% increase in your lip volume and up to a 54% increase in the moisture of your lips. So it's kind of like if you had injections, like collagen injections, but it happens naturally from using products that help assist your skin function the way it should. So there were tests actually done on this product, and the test results say that the increased lip volume happens 8.6% for all participants across the board, and up to 19.6% for those with the thinnest lips, to almost 20%. Increased lip moisturization, 50.6% for all of the dermis. Restored density of the lips, that's how firm your lips are, is 8.5%. And the increased firmness and ability of the skin to withstand impact is 13.3% and respectively 14.9%. Now, I don't exactly know what that means because I'm not a scientist, so I'm just reading the test results, okay? Increased fringe protection, 15.1% in volume curve of the lip for 69% of the test participants, and 10.5 increase in softness of the lips for 83% of the test participants. Now, what I do know is that this line around the edge of your lip, this edge right here, is called the vermilion. And what happens as you get older is your vermilion goes away. It like disappears and becomes part of your skin on your face, so that you don't have any differentiation between your skin and your lip tissue. So what Lip Volumizer will do is it will rebuild the vermilion of your lips so that you have a distinction between your lips and your face. And that's what they're talking about when they say that it increased the volume curve, the curve of your lips here. And it also just naturally brings your lips back to the color that they used to be when you were younger. So let's go over some of the key ingredients. We already talked about the volumizing complex, and it's a proprietary blend of ingredients of peptides and botanicals. And then we have Centiplex complex, and Centiplex complex is in all of our anti-aging treatments. Now this is an anti-aging lip treatment, keep that in mind. So Centiplex complex is the proprietary blend of active ingredients in all of our skincare products that actually rebuilds the skin from the inside out, but it also is, the main thing that it does is it rushes the cells to the surface 23% faster than normal, so it's helping rebuild the structure of your skin and get those new cells to the surface faster, and that's amazing. And then it has shea butter in it, and it also has Kiss Me Quick. It's a plant with specific peptides that help boost the collagen matrix production and other ingredients to increase moisturization of the lips. It also has jojoba seed oil, which is a moisturizer and emollient and improves the elasticity of the skin. And it has Camellia sinensis leaf, which protects collagen from being broken down. So it is pretty cool. It's got sesame seed oil in it as well. And it has retinol palmitate, which is a form of vitamin A, but it's the non-irritating form of vitamin A. It's got squalene in it, which not from sharks, because we don't use any animal byproducts whatsoever. So the squalene is from avocados. So as you can see, I think you're probably going to want to get this product because it's amazing and it will give you results. We guarantee it, and you can get it, online, and you can order it from your distributor. I'm a distributor too. You can get it from me or the distributor that sent this video to you, or you're looking at it because a distributor asked you to look at it so you can learn about Lip Volumizer. And it is an amazing product, and you can be guaranteed that your lips are going to look younger, They're gonna feel younger. They're gonna feel fuller. They're gonna look fuller naturally because they're increasing the production of collagen, and your lips are gonna be smooth, and your lip sense is gonna go on amazingly smooth. So hope this helps, and go get your lip volumizer. You cannot live without it. I can't anyway. Bye for now.